Once we have finished that operation, you'll notice that there is still some stock within these pockets and it's not necessarily cleaned out all the way. This could be many different reasons, but I believe that the reason why there's still stock in this pocket right here and this pocket right here was our tool was too big enough to fit in the pocket to accurately clean it up. So that was our roughing toolpath, and now we're going to do a finishing groove toolpath to just kind of get rid of all this material on the inside here. So come up to the top and select toolpaths. From here, we'll select groove. Again, we'll select multiple chains and we'll select OK. From here, we're going to select last, which will grab the last operation in which we chained. Once you're happy with this, select OK. From here, you'll notice your tool display loads up. We will right-click this time, and instead of editing a tool, we're actually going to create a tool. So go to Create Tool and select a grooving tool. We're going to make a single end, but we're not going to choose the single end chamfer. We're going to select the single end radius and ensure that the insert thickness is 0.188. From here, we're going to change these values. We're going to change A to 0.1, and again, I'm getting these values from inside the training tutorial. I'm changing B to 0.09375, and I'm going to leave C the same. Once this is done, come up to the Holders tab. In the Holders tab, we need to change D to 0.1, and we need to ensure that the cross section, or shank cross section, matches the insert thickness here. So we're going to give this a value of 0.188 and hit enter on our keyboard. Once this is done, we will go to parameters and we will give the name of the tool. So I'm going to name this tool 3/16 diameter by 55 degree tool. Once you have this established, the last thing we need to do is to come to Setup Tool, and we will also change the plunge direction. So select plunge direction and select the geometry we did last time to get the way the tool will be angled when approaching the part. From here, we'll select OK. And we're going to actually draw this tool so we can see it. So you can see what the tool looks like and you can adjust it if need be. Select enter when done, and we'll move on from this point. So we're going to go ahead and select OK. The tool number already exists. If you get this warning message, just hit OK. So we're going to use our tool that we just created, and we're going to insert a comment, finish the groove. From here, we're going to go to our groove rough parameters. We are going to make sure that rough is turned off. And under groove finish parameters, we are going to ensure that finish is turned on and that the values match your training tutorial before proceeding. Once they do match, come to lead in and select it. From here, in the first pass lead in section, we are going to make an angle of -145 and hit enter on our keyboard. And then on the second pass lead in, we're going to change this value to be -145 as well and hit enter on our keyboard. Once this is done, select OK and select OK once more, and our tool will come in and clean up the leftover stock from our roughing operation. Once this is done, just go into your backplot and verify. Just going to isometric my part here and select play. And this is what the part should look like. Select close when this is done, come over to the left hand side and just toggle off that toolpath display.